Dear followers, here we are with a new video. Have a good time. The Bikestinic storm, which has been lasting for days in Paris, has gone into a completely different dimension. Tuba Bikestin's mental breakdown process subsequent custody battle, hospitalization of her babies, and Engin emotional struggles. Tuba's ex-husband, Onur lit the fuse of events this time. The famous actor and director officially presented a new file before the Paris court, who created an emotional storm on social media with the words, "I promised you, you will not be alone," received thousands of messages of support. But he did not even think that this post would be presented as evidence in the family court. However, Onur Salak's lawyers claimed that Engin exerted sufficient emotional pressure on Tuba to affect his mental state, citing this same post as evidence. In the file, statements draw attention such as that Engin has been very active around Tuba in recent months, interfering in decision-making processes and crossing the limits of privacy. Onur's lawyers also interpreted Engin's visits to Tuba in the hospital with special permission and his involvement in the baby's treatment process as an emotional strategy designed to manipulate judicial decisions. The most striking statement in the file was the following: the emotional campaigns carried out by Mr. Engin on social networks aim to influence public opinion, health institutions, and even the court, creating such a visible and elevated emotional interaction on a person in a delicate psychological state like Tuba Bikestin carries the risk of distracting him from his own decisions. Following these statements, it is stated that all statements made by Engin with sincere but strong emotions will be reinterpreted in court. Especially in France, the fact that there are extremely sensitive laws on children's rights and mental balance can completely change the course of the case. The second demand of Onur Salak's lawyers is even more striking: a medical examination to determine whether Engin proximity to Tuba Bikestin has negative effects on the health of the babies. In this context, the health reports, psychological support sessions, and medical interviews of both Tuba and the children in recent months are expected to be presented to the court in detail. What has been the response from the Engin front? A representative made a brief statement in this regard and said, all of Mr. Akurek's actions are out of love and support. They have never had the intention to pressure, direct, or manipulate anyone. We trust the judicial process with all our documents and witnesses. However, the pulse of public opinion beats differently. Social networks are divided into two, while some argue that Engin claiming his love and shouting it too. Everyone is a humanitarian stance. Others think that ignoring Onur Salak's claim of emotional manipulation could be dangerous.